Hi everyone, Adam at Leighton Vans. Now we're here today with one of our new partner products, which is SteelPods. Now as you can see, SteelPods is a twin drawer bed system for the back of the transporter. So we've got this massive bottom drawer which is capable of carrying just over 200 kilograms in weight, and that is weight tested as well. Top slightly thinner drawer with some sections for a hob or storage. Now that can also hold just over 200 kilograms tested, so you can put some real weight across those, whether it's building tools or camping gear or boots in my case, and coats. So also up top we've got the bed system which slides out on the same rails that's on these drawers. Awesome memory foam mattress on there as well. Now this will work with a Kombi van, or it'll work with no seats in the back at all because the bed is fully self-supporting, and you've also got the pockets down the side for some extra storage in there as well. Now this is a brand new product for us at Leighton, and we're going to be one of a few select distributors and fitting centres for the SteelPods in the UK. So if you want to come down and take a look at this one that we've got, or come down and have a chat about the options we can do with a SteelPod in the back of your van, for example there's some different coloured handles we can put on there and things like that, then contact us on social media, drop us an email to service@leightonvans.co.uk, or just pop down and see us. Thanks guys.